What up, guys? What's going on? So today's Thursday. It is 7:30 right now, and we're on our way. Well, I'm on my way right now to Long Island. Andrew with the green 4-door, the HTB fully built one, the turbo. He's about to tune right now with Morris. So he should be getting on the diner like around like 8:30. I could have left earlier, but it was telling me like over an hour to get to Long Island. So I just waited a little bit. I'll just wait a little bit because when he gets his, he has to change his spark plugs, and he got to change his spark plugs and his injectors and all that anyway. So that's gonna take some time. They're putting it on the rollers and all that stuff. So it says I get there at 8:22, and literally right now it's telling me 48 minutes. So I cut down like 20-30 minutes. So yeah, we're about to see that get tuned and see how much power this big boy is gonna make. I'm not gonna give you guys the name of this spot or anything, but this is what we'll be racing at. I think there's a cop over there. Yes, there is. Let me put my camera down. I think we're here. It's a far drive, a super far drive. I remember coming out here 2 years ago for the races. I literally remember coming over here for the races. It was years ago when I came out here. Alright, where is the shop at now? It says it's up here, I think. Oh, it's definitely here. This is where the cars are at. Ooh, look at Drew's car. Shining. Alright, let's see where I park at. Go in or what? We have made it. Far, far drive. Come bring in gifts. My dudes, they purchased all of these hoodies for me. That's real love right there. Drews, the other Drews, and there's like 4 more hoodies for, I think, some people that are here. See some cars. A drift car. Ooh. Is that a Supra? For real? I was flying. Dad, right on time. Yeah, you did everything already? The plugs and everything? Yeah. My man's ready to go. Yo, Drew, you ready? Ready to make that power, baby? We're gonna see. issue. Ooh. Crazy. I want to have one of those.
It could be worse, Morris. It could be. And you've seen it worse. Which is
Nah, there's no way. Now he's just bullshit. He's just trying to watch me.
You are definitely watching.
No, 100%. But I listen to me. I changed all the harnesses just for you, sir. Okay? All the harnesses. Same thing you did yesterday.
Every time. Every time, Jeff. Never fails.
Oh, we gonna see. As soon as I'm gonna use the tool for that. As soon as I put the tool up there, tell
Facts. That's why it's good.
should take too fucking long.
Oh, you smell that shit too.
That white one, the rooftop, that's just get that used to go just get beautiful.
Yeah.
Stop. Hold on. Pull and push. Go ahead. Can't see, can't drive. Alright, where you going?
Somebody watch the car. Oh, watch your back. Well, so the water pump had a strip bolt, and then when it saw some pressure, all the coolant was just spewing out, as you guys saw. And yeah, they put everything back together, and it wasn't holding no pressure. That's why they use that little vacuum system. It sucks out all the antifreeze, and it still wasn't doing anything at all. So they put it back together, and they put pressure in the system with the antifreeze, and they just saw all the antifreeze literally just coming out. So it's probably just gonna end up buying another water pump, because I think the water pump probably just warped from the heat and all the pressure that came out to that strip bolt. So yeah, he's gonna have to come back tomorrow and see if it gets fixed, and then from there, I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it. So I'll probably just add on clips from, I guess, when they dyno it, and I'll just put it in this video or something. So, but I'm about to head home because it's late and I'm tired. Alright, what's going on, guys? So, it's a couple days I'm putting the video together. Just wanted to let you guys know, and the part where you guys see that there's a lot of smoke coming out, so the main front seal behind the crank pulley, it started leaking at really high RPM, like around like 6,000 around there. So that's why you see all the smoke, because it's literally just started leaking, and it's like going on the exhaust and everything. It's just burning off, because obviously the car's hot. So, the car had an issue the first time, which was a strip bolt. So they re-threaded it, they tapped it, put a bigger size bolt. But the next day, Jeff worked on the car, and come to find out that the bolt was too short, so it didn't reach all the way, and it wasn't tightening the water pump fully, just like last time. So they swapped out the bolt, put a longer bolt in. That was perfectly fine, and then the front main seal started leaking. So he made 650, as you guys saw, on E85, and I think he made 480 on 93. He wasn't going too crazy on pump gas, because the car it's gonna mostly always be on E85, because he wants the car to run cooler because of the hot situation on the car and how much power it's making. He wants it to be on E85 instead of pump gas. So that's it for this video, guys. Please smash that like button. Comment down below if you enjoyed seeing this video, and you guys like the numbers that the H22 made. Like this video, guys. That does a lot for my channel. It shows my videos in a lot of other places. It keeps my channel growing. I'm trying to hit 30,000 subscribers. And next Sunday, well, this Sunday coming up is March Madness. I'll put up a picture right here. So if you guys are interested in coming out, saying what up, rolling out, I'm doing a meetup there, and then we're gonna roll out to March Madness. Should be a good time, a good Sunday. Chill. I might have like a couple of shirts. I have like one hoodie left, and all I have is like XL and like large and t-shirts, and I have like a couple few hats. No more stickers. I gotta restock on stickers and stuff. I gotta restock on a couple things, but I'm gonna wait because I want to put out some more merch, a different kind of merch. So you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Build to enjoy, guys. Peace out.